Paano mag-withdraw ng affiliate balance earnings dito sa TikTok affiliate? First step, punta ka sa TikTok account. Click mo lang ang TikTok Studio and then TikTok Shop Creator. Sa baba, may makikita kang TikTok Shop Toolkit. Browse mo lang yan, hanapin mo ang earnings. And then click Withdraw Balance. Sa Withdraw Balance, click mo lang yung Withdraw All. At kapag napindot mo na ang withdraw all, automatic lalabas ang buong available earnings mo and then claim confirm to withdraw. After that, meron ka nang marireceive agad na withdrawal in progress sa iyong message and nandun na agad ang iyong TikTok available balance na winidraw mo. Ayan, na-receive mo na yung GCash sa iyong messaging. And then nasa baba, you have received 4,250 pesos via GCash from TikTok Shop. Congratulations!